chains.
You want to upgrade the studio? Where do you even start? Well, the answer might be right in front of you. All right, let's get into this. Welcome to Vocal Chains Studio. I am Wizard, and with me, as always, is Dale. Dale, that's your cue. And you're already messing with me.
The explosive intro just froze me.
Well, it's showtime, and we're not stopping till we've pulled out all the stops.
And that won't take long.
So, upgrading the studio. The first thing that usually comes to mind, acquisition.
Watching gear demos, reading reviews.
Adopt a pet, name it after a synthesizer you can't afford right now.
That reminds me. Did you take shared system on a walk today?
I wish I had. But today, we're looking around the studio for any piece of gear that might be going underutilized.
And we definitely found one.
You're talking about the Microbrute.
Well, it went from neglected to making sounds that are practically indescribable.
Yeah, if it's like...
Or like...
Or if it's like...
It might be a Microbrute.
It might.
Or if it's like...
Okay, that one's creepy. That's like a David Lynch kind of thing. That reminds me of that bug in the new Twin Peaks with the explosion and the strings and...
Beautiful.
There's that bug that's crawling and... If it's like that, it's probably a Microbrute.
It's what they sound like.
So why did it go neglected? The knobs got all gummy.
Yeah, gummy. Just sticky. Not fun to play at all. And the replacement knobs, one of them met up with a force of nature.
There's never been a riff invented that's as heavy as a cat's paw.
But those replacement knobs were never a good fit in the first place.
Which is a shame because a good synth deserves good knobs. So today's question, upgrading the studio. I do believe we've discovered something to look into in the near future.
Or now.
How's that?
Let's see what happens.
Dale, you look like you're spacing out, like you're falling into some kind of memory.
Hey, could you get the mail for me today and bring it up to the studio?
Okay.
But wait until I say, let's see what happens!
Sure.
Dale, you yelled kind of loud there. Now you look like you're spacing out again. Dale.
Let's see what happens?
Are you having a daydream where someone hands you peanut butter cookies?
No, not this time. Maybe what's happening isn't today.
Or is it?
Hmm?
So when you order it with extra sauce.
Hey, I hear you're getting the mail for Dale.
Right.
Well, there's been a change of plan. Now wait till I say, we'll see what's next. We'll see what's next. I guess what's next ain't next yet. You got anything over there to take us out?
Sure.
And here, another of what we call Dale's Noise Jams. Check it out on SoundCloud.
I've got 4 followers.
Hey, are we forgetting something? Wait, aren't we getting the mail today? Somebody'll pick it up.
just like we planned.
Wow.
Nice.
It's not nice. It's nice.
A quick heads up. Brightly colored knobs with a white stripe may not offer enough contrast for you if you play in dark lighting or with LED lighting. And there you have it. A successful upgrade here at Vocal Chain Studio. Now you show up. Any final words, Dale?
Sure.